going, guys? Welcome back. Today I will be sharing a little side project I've been working on, mainly because I wanted to try practicing some new skin tone colors that I picked up. Started off with the normal black primer. Here I'm adding a little zenithal highlight. I assume that's the correct term. That's what I hear everyone else say, so that's what we're going with. Gonna add some undertones before applying the top coat. Here I'm starting off with just a red from Vallejo.
What a way to go. This incarnation is really wide. The air is getting warm.
I think I end up changing the overall color of the skin tones about 3 different times throughout the video, so what you see here is not what the final product is going to look like.
Don't you know I worry about you all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Don't you know I worry about you?
Here I am applying the opal skin tone from Army Painter. This color doesn't end up staying. I wanted something a little more darker and tan. I just got this, so I was curious to see what it looked like. For this model, I was really just goofing around with the paint job, trying a bunch of different techniques. So here, I'm doing a little bit of glazing. Is this considered glazing? Seems appropriate for the model, but I'm not sure if this is more of a wash or glaze. I don't know. Anyways, using some red, blue, and yellow for the undertones here. Here I'm using an olive color from Vallejo to create the base for the tan. Basically cover the whole model here with this, and then I will go back and use some Vallejo dark flesh mixed with a little bit of orange to help complement the green here. That will also pull back some of the natural skin color. Once I was done with that, I took some Vallejo basic skin tone and thinned it down quite a bit and just kind of sprayed the whole model again. Give everything a nice smooth finish. For the bikini, I did pretty much the bare minimum and just painted the whole thing black. I didn't really do any highlights or anything like that. And this because there were a bunch of other effects that I wanted to try out. So this was just a basic paint job here. When doing skin tones on female characters, I really enjoy the chalk pastel method. One thing I will say is I'm not entirely sure how to best put a top coat over this. It basically hides the effect completely, so I need to do a little digging on that, figure out the best way to put a clear coat on top of it. Onto the eyes. For the second video in a row, onto the one eye. Again, pro tip, paint models that only have one eye showing. Only advice that I can give here is a good detail brush is a game changer. The one that I'm using here is from Winsor Newton, but also have a couple of Tamiya brushes that work incredibly well.
And we nail them all. I know you're the worrying kind. Is there any way? Or do you like not being found? In time the light will fade. Don't you know I worry about you all the time?
For the base, trying to make some sand here. So first thing first, put down some 5-minute epoxy. So covered that with some crushed walnut shell tumbler medium, like you would use to polish jewelry. Followed that up with a mixture of Mod Podge and baking soda.
What a way to go. This incarnation is really wide. The air is getting warm. I know you're the worrying kind. And is there any way? Or do you like not being found? In time the light will fade. Don't you know I worry about you all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Don't you know I worry about you?
To add some sand effects to the model itself, again, just took some of that baking soda and Mod Podge mixture, threw it in the paint, and then just stippled it onto the figure. For the water effects on the base here, just taking some of the UV resin and mixing in a few drops of cerulean alcohol ink. Attempting to not make an absolute mess here. And to finish things off here, using some white water foam effects, which I'm pretty sure is just gray acrylic paint. And there we go. Our obligatory beach day episode is out of the way. If you made it this far, just wanted to say thank you very much. I appreciate you. If you like this one, check out one of my other videos on the screen here somewhere. And I will see you in the next one.